Hi everyone, it's Kristi. Welcome back. This is unboxing, deboxing, uh, box number 3 um, from Grandma's stash. Um, Lots of more tatting here. Look at this. Oh, some more of that fine uh, borders and all kinds of fun stuff in here. Look at that. So cool. The nice blues. Huh. Nice. Oh, look at this teeny tiny little stuff. Goodness, here's some glittery red. Very good for Christmas. Yeah, lots and lots of tatting. I don't think I ever saw Grandma do tatting. I knew she did it. Oh, look at that. That's interesting. Don't quite know what that is. Got like a flap on it. The little hanger. Another border piece. But I know she crocheted and she knitted and just anything. She quilted. You know, look at that. That's cool. Very fun. Ooh, this one has like the black on it. This one's kind of a yellow and an ecru. This one has some glitter. This is crochet. So, oh, there's one little missed a piece, little piece of pink in there. So that's more of the tatting and such. And then I think I hit the mother load of hankies. Look at this. Now these are just white, but I'll start at the top. That's white. Some of these have, look at that. Look how pretty that is. Little pink flowers. There's a blue one, a blue trim. Some of these aren't as old as the others because I've got some of these look familiar to ones that I purchased recently, but that's nice. That's handmade. That's crocheted around the edges. Here's a nice piece of a table runner. Look at that. Can't even show it to you. It's about a yard by 1 foot by 3 foot. It does have a little hole in it, but there again, this looks like almost like the Irish crochet with the flowers patterns and things. So that's a nice piece. And well, all of it, don't get me wrong, all of it. Look at that. Isn't that neat? And if you've done any crocheting or knitting or tatting or anything of that nature, you know how long it takes to do this stuff. Makes you appreciate it even more. Look how beautiful that is. Pretty. Like I said, I guess I hit the mother load on the hankies. So that's cool. I don't mind. I will use them. This one has a little girl on it. It's a geometric. That one's got the needlework. Some of them have been used more than others, but that just adds to their appeal, in my opinion, because you know that they were loved. He's been through it all. This one has like dancers all around the edge. You wouldn't take that one to church. Okay, let's see. Look how pretty that is. That's a church hanky. Okay, or a wedding hanky. I carried my my grandmother's one of my grandmother's hankies on my wedding day. That was my something blue. There's another table topper. I'll probably keep that one too. Well, I'm keeping them all, but let's say I'm not cutting this one. I really like to have those on pretty much every surface in my house. That's a nice one as well. I like that. As long as there's no holes in it, I'll put it to use. There's a really slick Nice. This one has some more embroidery on it. Pretty lace. Ooh, I don't know if you can see that design. That's pretty cool. And there's some of that trim that we were picking up in the tatting. So she used it on the hankies. Nice. That one's really pretty. Ooh, look at that. Nice roses. You know me and my pink roses. Here's a piece of lace that's made into a little table topper. Cool. Got some more. Let's look. I can't tell if it's crochet. Yeah, I think it's crocheted. Little trim. And this one. More of that. All right, what else have we got in here? Oh, look at that. That is beautiful. Just so neat. Isn't that gold and brown and so many colors? Look, guys. It's a Minnie Mouse hanky. How fun. Another rose. And there's a stack under here. Yellow roses. Blue daisies. 2 of those. There's some fun butterfly embroidery with an A on it. Ooh, nice. This has the crochet trim with the variegated thread. I love how everything is just made to be pretty. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? I would never think to do this. But you know what? Nowadays we don't take time to do stuff like this. We're too busy. That's sad. Too busy. Oh, a Christmas one. Look at that's pretty. I like poinsettias. Alright, so what have we got going here? These are kind of look like pieces of cloth that have been stitched. And this is a real pretty one. Like an organza. Men's hanky. Sometimes when I order stuff from overseas, I get some men's hankies in my batch, but they're not nearly as pretty as that. Okay, look at this one. Mother. There's another piece of fabric. There's some white. White. Here's some table runners. And I remember her asking me, oops, I'm sorry guys. I hit the light. I remember her asking me, are you sure you want these? They're all stained. I'm like, yep, I want them. So, yeah, I hit the mother load here. How pretty is that? I'm going to have a big time using this stuff up. I'm trying to get to the middle of this so I can pull from the middle. The tiny daisies. Blue and purple flowers. Ooh. Just, I love the little delicate. Now see, these are just white men's hankies. What I would call, they look like the ones my dad had when I was growing up, but it's that embroidery that makes it ultra feminine. So that's just a white one. This is a plastic one, guys. I can do coffee dyeing with that. I have those big rectangle ones, but I don't have anything like that. That'll be fabulous. All right. I know I wanted to show this with you because if I show this stuff to my family, they just think I'm weird. Like, okay, I don't know what you want it for. I mean, they know what I do, but they don't appreciate it nearly as much as I do. Look at this. A lily. Okay. And this one has lace on it. Little tiny purple flowers. they almost look like pansies on this side. I can't tell which one. I think this is the right side. Cool. And this one has blue and yellow flowers. Look at the tiny trim on this one. Nice. I like that. And then we have a blue, and this has something attached. Oh, it's a flower. Look at that. I don't know if you can see that because it's the same tone, but we'll have to wet that and lay that down too. It's a rose. Rosebud. Pretty. And then of course we've got the cherries here. And then we've got another piece of trim. Very fun. I am so excited about that. And that box had all of this in it. And I'm not going to go through this box with you, but I'm just going to show you that there are recipe cards and newspaper clippings and everything from years and years and years and years and years, all the way. Grandma kept everything, and so I've got all kinds of ephemera pieces in here. This is awesome. Some writing books and advertisements. She clipped and she clipped and she clipped. So that'll be a fun box to go through. Okay guys, well I think that's it, but oh my word, I don't know where I'm going to put all this stuff, but I'm going to have to find a place and make good use of it. So I thank you guys for watching. Appreciate you, and we'll be back. I don't know if I'm going to post these videos all in a row or pace them out. Probably. Today's Tuesday. My mom's not doing well. She was getting better there for a while. They put her on a new medication, but the last couple of days have been really rough, and now her dog is not faring well, and she's worried about the dog. And so just say a little prayer for our family. We would greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.